Hey, welcome back everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1966 Chevrolet Nova. Now this little Chevy 2 is red, as you can see. It's got a very iconic muscle car stance and look to it with a set of Krager SS wheels, with a set of BF Goodrich Radio TA raised white letters on it. This car is a iconic muscle car, and it's just, like I say, it has that stance, it has that look. Whether you're a fan of Kragers or not, these look great on this little car. Underneath the hood of this little car, you're gonna find just a mild little built small block. Gentleman told me it was a 350 aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, Edelbrock valve covers, nice little detailed engine compartment, aluminum radiator, painted inner fenders and firewall. Has some chrome up there above the hood. Looks really nice. The chrome bumpers on the car are very nice front and back. Stainless headlight rings look good. Does have the wheel well trim on it. Also has the chrome and stainless around the windows. This is a Southern car. It's very clean underneath. Seems like it's a original body panel car. It's not been all cut up. Bucket seats. 4-speed. Interior's in very nice shape. Sail panel, package tray, headliner, dome light works, visors, got a pair of fuzzy dice. The paint on this car is very nice. This is a really nice quality driver. It does have a little chip in the paint here. A couple little chips here. Let's see. You can see though, it's really nice. I'd say this car's probably been painted and been done for 20 years, and it still shows very, very nice. Maybe not that long. I'm just giving myself the benefit of the doubt. But yeah, you can see down on the bottom of the car, not all bubbled up or popping, nothing like that. Very, very good looking little Chevy 2. Inside the trunk, nicely carpeted. Got a jack there. Instructions. Just a nice, clean little car. Go over here and open this door for you. Jam paint's nice. Sill plates. The whole interior in the car is very nice. Hard to find these little Novas. We do really well with these cars. They're very, very popular. I'm gonna price this car right down the line. I'm gonna price this car at $49,900. I think it'll go away by the end of the week. Oh, I hope I don't put that key in there upside down. Wipers work. Radio works. Got a tripod again. Blower motor works. Left turn, right turn. That's a good sounding car too. Great sounding car. License plate lights, tail lights, turn signal. Man, did I say $49,900? Maybe I should have said $59,900. This thing sounds good. sounds like it's got maybe a little bit of an exhaust lead over here on the, it's got headers on it. So it might have a little bit of exhaust leak over there on that right side. Turn this other signal on quick. Bright headlight indicator works. What a pretty little car. There you go, there's the other signals. Got upgraded headlights. Yeah, this car won't be around long for $49.9. Check out the paint. Look how nice that thing is. Solo right now, so I'm driving the 4-speed, so you guys will have to bear with me for 1 second. Everybody's kind of doing their own little projects today, so work very well. Four-speed gearbox, shifts nice. I'll get you out here. I'll walk around here with you on the outside of the car real quick before we head back, so you can see the car outside. In the light. Got a nice little sound to it, don't it? Let me shut the door. There you go. Sure does got a nice sound to it. Other than that, you can hear that little pesky exhaust leak there. Probably a collector gasket. 66 Chevy 2 Nova, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, $49.9. This is a fun little car.